You love Mondays too, right?
No, I hate them.
Why?
I hate them.
Why?
I do.
So today is a Monday, and every single Monday, the kids get up, Amanda gets up, everybody spends maybe the first 15 minutes of being awake complaining about it being Monday and not wanting to go to school, not wanting to go to work, not wanting it to be Monday. I love Mondays, because Mondays mean the weekend's over, family time is fantastic, but getting everybody out of the house is really nice, and having it to myself is great. And then I just get the entire week to live my life during the day. And it's awesome. So I could see, and I remember the time when I really hated Mondays, but man, I love Mondays nowadays. They're really fantastic. Anyway, over the weekend, we tried to drive down to the house that we're buying, that is being constructed right now and supposed to be done in just over a month. No progress. So inside, 2x4s are up. The roof is on, shingles are on, HVAC is in, 2 showers, no toilets, but no walls are up, no cabinet, no nothing. Nothing is up. So I'm getting nervous because I was hoping to at least have the foundation on our driveway poured or, I don't know, something in the garage done. It's not a lot going on. They were working on the houses in the area, so they might be hitting ours next. I really hope they get done in time. We're supposed to move in towards the middle of November. If it pushes out closer to Thanksgiving, I'm fine with that. I just don't want it to push into the next month. But with all of that said, this has been the most easy, calm, chill experience I've had in a really long time with real estate. Because in the past, at this point, I've always had to call and yell or get angry. It's always been bad. Maybe that's because we've been trying to sell and buy a house at the same time the past couple of times. But it's all right now. Life is pretty good. The mortgage lender we're working with has been easy. The last time we were buying a house, at this point, the secretary for the mortgage lender screwed something up, so we almost lost a few points in interest, which would have amounted to thousands of dollars in the long run. So that drove me nuts, and then I had to call and yell, and it just wasn't a good experience. But this has been okay. We're locked in for our mortgage rate. We just got everything finalized, so there could be a few things that they want in addition to what we've given them already. A little concerned about the progress on the house, but we're gonna go back again next weekend. The problem is, it's an hour away from here, and it's down I-4. So it's an hour down I-4, and then usually in the afternoon on the weekend on the way back, it's 40 minutes to get 10 miles down I-4 back this way. I just really want to see the progress. I'm excited to get out of here and move on. I don't have a lot going on today. This is the absolute last cup of coffee that I have. I just ground the last of the beans that I have, so I have to go to the store. I think I have a couple of errands to run this afternoon, so we can make a store run. I made a list of stuff I need from the grocery store, but not from Target. So I have no idea what I'm getting here. Or why I'm here. Crap. Should have made a list because I didn't get anything that I needed to get from Target. Crap. Yeah! What's up? What's up, man? How you doing? You know what my video is about today? How much I love Mondays.
Oh, Daddy, what? Wait, I like Mondays a little better because we have digital learning.
Oh, okay.
So I like it a little better. But still, I hate Mondays.
I hate Mondays.
Why do you hate Mondays?
I don't like art.
Because
Dude, art is like the best class ever.
art is the best class ever.
Oh yeah, Daddy, I used to have PE.
Oh, and now you have art?
Yeah, we switched central.
Every 9 weeks. Oh geez, it's been 9 weeks already.
Wow.
But we won't be here for the next 9 weeks because it's the
We're moving.
December.
We're moving. So I totally forgot that over the weekend I ordered a movie from Amazon, which I have not seen available to buy in a long time. I'm very excited about that. Tower of Terror. I have never seen this movie before. I've tried to order it or watch it online and I can't find it anywhere. And then all of a sudden, yesterday I was at Target and they had it for $10. And then I looked on Amazon, it was only $5. So I ordered it from Amazon. Kind of excited about that because I've never seen it. I'll let you know what I think. We're gonna watch it tonight. Halloween. Amanda's home.
Good day or bad day?
Good day.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
What took you so long to get home?
I didn't leave until later. My mentor came and talked to me like when I was trying to leave, so we ended up talking for a little bit.
Oh, so you love Mondays then, right?
Oh yeah,
Awesome.
love it.